What if I told you that right now, deep inside India's top-secret labs, artificial intelligence is being trained to fight wars, hunt enemies, and even decide when to kill, without human permission? This isn't the future. It's already happening, and the world has no idea. Behind closed doors, India is building an AI war machine. Fast. In this video, we'll uncover the projects hidden from the public eye, break down how artificial intelligence is already reshaping India's defense, and reveal why this global arms race is more dangerous than ever. India's journey into AI warfare began quietly. In 2018, the Ministry of Defense formed a task force to explore AI's role in military operations. Soon, DRDO, Bharat Electronics, and private startups were developing systems to track, analyze, and even eliminate threats autonomously. This wasn't just about smart tech. It was about building systems faster, smarter, and more ruthless than human soldiers. First came the drones, but not just any drones. Under the Swarm AI initiative, India developed UAVs that could fly, think, and act in groups. These drones communicate mid-air, recognize targets using machine vision, and carry out missions, even strike, with little human intervention. Leaked reports suggest they've already been tested near sensitive border zones. Then there's Project NETRA, originally a space surveillance system, now enhanced with AI. NETRA can monitor satellite data, detect unusual troop movements, and even pick up on cyber threats across land and sea. It's India's eye in the sky, and its brain on the ground. When combined with private sector AI, this system forms a near real-time digital defense grid. But the real game changer? The battlefield algorithm, an AI trained to make tactical decisions. It processes enemy movements, terrain data, and weapons range, and suggests immediate action. In some prototypes, the AI can override human commands if it deems the response too slow. This system isn't here to assist generals, it's here to replace them. But there's a catch. These machines don't understand ethics. What if an AI misreads a village heat signature as a hostile camp? What if it goes rogue? With no clear rules on autonomous weapons in India and no public oversight, the risks are growing silently. As India arms itself with code instead of bullets, the future of war is changing fast. But here's the real question. Are we building machines to protect us, or ones we'll lose control of? Tell us what you think in the comments. And if you want more stories the world isn't supposed to know, hit subscribe.